my kitchen. Today I'm going to introduce to you something new recipe. It's me how to cook the chicken biryani without rice. Very hard to believe. Guys, don't surprise. So if you like to know how I make them, please keep watching. First things, I will be showing to you my core ingredients. This is all the ingredients. So we have 1 kilo chicken, we have a couple of tomatoes, we have a ginger garlic paste, we have a couple of onions, also salt, 1 teaspoon, we have mainly biryani powder, 5 tablespoons. Also we have green onions. That's all. Also mainly we have I will introduce to you. So mainly I will show you, this is our newly introducing biryani changer, egg noodles. Look at this, guys. So those are the ingredients that I will be using. Let's start. So beginning, I'm going to cut our noodles. One inch each. Look like the same size of basmati rice. Right guys, now our cutting almost finished. Look at this. It's almost like a rice. Basmati rice. Alright. So I'm going to start our cooking. Add water. Add some more salt. Close. Right guys, our water boiling well. Now I'm going to add our old noodles biryani. Mix well. Alright. Close our cooker and keep aside. We go back to now our next preparation. Our next preparation. Add some more salt. Alright. We are going to start our fried chicken. Some more oil. I'm going to do my chicken little low fry. Then after I'm going to start our biryani cooking together. Added our chicken. Start our next preparation. Add onion. Alright, perfect. So some amount I remove, use for our final preparation. Now I'm going to add our ginger garlic paste. Right guys, I am not going to use yogurt, full cream milk. I am comfortable using this item. Mix properly. Now I am going to add little bit salt. Now I am going to use biryani powder. This is our game changer. Right. Finally, I am going to add our beautiful chickens. Look at this. Alright, close and keep another 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, wonderful. I'm going to remove our chicken and we are going to final stage, final preparation. Right guys, now our final preparation, Noodles Biryani. Smell so awesome. Little bit green onions, final stage, everything going to add everything. Alright, we are going to check our biryani. Wow, guys, what I smell! Noodles biryani. What a looking good. What a beautiful. Okay guys, now our time to taste our noodles biryani. Take a some more wine. Alright guys, I'm gonna test our noodles biryani. Guys, what is the difference of the rice biryani and noodles biryani? I will let you know guys. Aromatic spices. Cheers guys. Right. Some more chicken and noodles biryani. Great, very great. people can try wonderful noodles biryani. Super delicious, guys. Rice biryani and noodles biryani, to me the taste of noodles biryani, smell and taste, 99% yes, exactly. Rice biryani, smell and taste difference, compared to the basmati rice. So no need to talk about that, of course, basmati rice. So, but we don't want to put down noodles. Also, great answer, guys. Simply you can make, not go much money, not hustle. Yeah, I want to take a big bites. Oh man, overall taste great, brighter, full of biryani flavors, super savory, little bit spicy. Yes, I put little bit more spices, so that's why it's more better to me. Many more flavor, guys. Super delicious, guys. Actually, guys, this is my third experience. Noodles biryani. To me, super delicious, full of flavor, awesome smells. Make a simple, easy tasty noodles biryani. Really, you will enjoy, guys. Believe me. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Next video, I will bring to you another amazing recipe. Bye bye.